welcome back to my channel. I'm Anushka and today I'm doing 20 things that you can do when you're bored at home. It's like a quarantine edition. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can color, paint, draw, whatever you like. I love coloring and it is very therapeutic and relaxing. You should try it once for sure. You can read. There are so many amazing books out there which can inspire you, motivate you. They can push you to be a better person. It can give you a totally different perspective. Just feeling bored, grab a book and have a nice reading session. Organize your makeup, which has been lying there like a mess since forever. I think this is the time. Get up, clean it up, organize, and remove the stuff which you don't need. Yes, it just takes a few minutes and you will be done. Feeling bored? Then do the most damn important thing. Don't forget to wash your hands again and again. You can do a photo shoot at home. It can be really cool. You just don't need anything. You can just use some of your home prop stuff. I made a last video on my home photo shoot with DIY newspaper, so you can look at it if you need some inspiration. Clean your makeup brushes and blender. It is so important for your hygiene, for your face. We often don't do it in laziness, but you should clean them at least once a week. I know I should also clean them more often. Do exercise. It can be any form of exercise or yoga, whatever you prefer. You have a lot of time, so invest your time on good things. Just work on your body and yourself. Do some self-care. You can apply face packs or you can go for DIYs. You need to make sure that after quarantine your face is still glowing. Forget doing a nice lip scrub, because most of the time we do face pack, face mask, but you forget doing a nice lip scrub. Invest your energy into doing something new, learning something new. It could be a skill or a language. I'm learning Italian, the basic Italian. I'm trying to do it. Hopefully I can do it. Look at your laptop desk. It's so messed up. That's the case with me most of the time. I guess with you too. So we need to do it. Cleaning your closet is the most hectic thing, especially for me. But you have the time in the world, so do it. Don't forget the organization. You need to have a good organized closet. Clean your camera roll. So the camera roll is always exceeding the limit. That's not great. So you need to clean your camera roll and we can do it today. Come on. Organize your phone. Keep folders for everything, like for social media or photography. Looking for idea, inspiration, look at Pinterest. You'll find fashion, beauty, home decor, everything that you need to motivate yourself. Listen to podcasts. It will motivate you, inspire you to do things. At least listen to one podcast every day. Listen to music and just look outside from balcony or window and be happy for what you have now, and just don't think about past and don't worry about future. Just be grateful. Play game with your loved ones, family, friends, maybe Ludo, chess, anything. I love playing video games with my little one. Watch YouTube videos. There's so much good to watch on YouTube, and of course Netflix. Cook. Just give it a try. Cook something you really like, or experiment with something. Make something new, or without a recipe, go out of your way. Just see how it goes. I'm making aloo and cheese sandwiches. I love them. That's it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.